when it comes to research, I think Perplexity is still way better than, let's say, Gemini or even ChatGPT. One reason is because Perplexity will actually do a more thorough, deeper research compared to other AI models to make sure that the info that it generated is as accurate as possible. But still, just like most AI models, AIs in Perplexity will still hallucinate or made up some information that didn't really exist. And it is also very important for the user to verify or double check the information that was generated by AI. So just yesterday, Perplexity made an announcement and they just released a new feature that makes it easy for the user to verify information that was generated by AI in Perplexity. So let me give you a few examples. I just searched on Perplexity about this particular topic. Nintendo Switch 2 will be launched on June 5, and there are a bunch of info about that news. Now, if I want to make sure, let's say I want to know if the price is $449.99, then I can just select that text. Let's say I'm going to select this section of the text, and then there's going to be a new button appear. You can click check sources, and Perplexity will do a research about that particular content, and it will display some websites that has that information, and therefore you can be rest assured that this information is not coming from AI hallucination. This is coming from a real website. And I think this feature will be extremely popular when you are searching for sensitive topic or maybe political news. Let's say I want to search news about Elon Musk in the government. Let's say I want to know whether or not Elon Musk will step back from his role in the government. I can just select that text and I can click check sources again, and Perplexity will do the research for that particular topic. And well, apparently it is factual. There are some news covering that section, and therefore we can be sure that this information is very accurate. This feature is actually quite similar to Gemini double check. If you're using Gemini AI, there is actually this option to double check the response. And what it will do is that it will search the information on Google based on the answer from AI. But the differences is that in Perplexity, you can select the text and then you can double check the response or double check the answer from AI, unlike in Gemini where you have no control on which part that AI will double check. So I think this gives you more control, and I would say the result might be more accurate, but still at the end of the day you still have to verify the information yourself, because sometimes AI is still really bad at differentiating the real information versus sarcasm information. And well, sometimes there are some nuances that AI just cannot distinguish. For example, I asked Perplexity about what is the length of the human blood vessels, and it gives me this answer between 60,000 to 100,000 miles. And unfortunately, even though that's a round nice number, it's not accurate because there's still another research about that, and it was found that the human blood vessel, the length in total is around 9,000 to 19,000 kilometers. So it's still far away from the 100,000 kilometers that we often believe. So yeah, it is a nice feature, but it is not going to guarantee that the result from the fact-checking feature in Perplexity will always be factual or 100% accurate, but at least it is still very useful. Anyway, if you find this video to be helpful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, because I will make more videos just like this one in the future. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.